Hi, my name is Beth Ferrara Regensberger. I am a 1989 alum. My husband also went here, class of 79. Our son just graduated from here last year in the class of 2021. I would like to take you through a project that Parents and Friends Club is going to be doing in the next coming months, and it entails renovating the bookstore. So come along and let's go take a look at what the bookstore actually looks like. When I was in school here back in the 80s, this is where all the kids came. We lined up to get all of our books. So my vision for this room is to not only still utilize it as a candy store, but to update it and renovate it and bring some life to this room for the kids to actually use. What we would like to do is keep this countertop if possible, just because it's been in the school for so many years, but we would like to reconfigure it a little bit. And as you may or may not know, we have windows that need to just open up for some natural lighting. It actually looks out into our beautiful quad out there. And lots of other things that need to be redone. New flooring, new ceiling tiles, new lighting, tables and chairs. This place would actually be used for the students for many, many different things. They can come in here and hang out before and after school, grab a coffee. They can use it for clubs to just have their meetings. If college visits need to be held in here for college recruiters to come in and show off what they need to show for their schools. This is a place where we want the kids to just feel like it's theirs. You have a talent of construction that you can help us with. Do you know someone in a business who can donate materials that are needed? So much needs to go into this, and we really, really need to count on our Althoff Catholic family to help us make this renovation, this vision possible. The estimated cost for this amazing project is about $8,000. Parents and Friends Club will match up to $4,000. So that means your $50 could turn into $100, and your $100 could into $200, $500 into $1,000. Together, we can make something very special happen for our amazing students. Thanks for your time.